What's up? It's your girl KCharles, y'all, and it's Saturday morning, and I'm at one of my favorite places. I'm at the Home Depot. I'm at the Home Depot because I'm going to get my new cutting table top cut. So I realized that I have enough room in my space to do a 36 by 48 inch top, and I'm excited about it. So we're gonna have to go ahead and find us a nice piece of hardwood. I'm gonna have to have them cut it, I'm sure. I'll probably find it either 4 feet long or by something. I might even find a 48 by 48 so I can just have them cut off one piece. So it'll be 36 by 48 because that's what I need it to be. And so let's go on inside. Let's grab our tabletop so that we can add it to our table. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the mat on top of the top. So if you see the wood piece and it don't look all that fancy, don't worry about it, because it's gonna get covered by a cutting mat. Let's go. We is at the Home Depot, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this tabletop done. So I got my gloves because, again, my hands are hard enough. I don't need it to be extra rough. So let's put our gloves on. So we got to pick this wood up. It won't get any splinters or something like that. So these are my old gloves, but they're still effective for what I need them to do for home improvement. Those are nice prints. 10-inch palms for $14. I may come back and get that. All right, y'all, so we made it out here with the wood. This is the first Home Depot I think I've been in where wood was on the right-hand side, not the left. So let's find it and see what they got in here. I was looking for a big piece. Okay, so now we have like these plywood 4x8s. I guess it's this one. And that's a nice thick piece. It won't move, it won't. And like I said, I'm not worried about the appearance because it's gonna have a cutting mat on top of it. And even if this piece was enough to cut in half and make 2 pieces, that's still good too. So this is what I'm looking for, something like this. And I think this one, I don't see the price tag on it. Let's see if this is the same one, 4x8. 4x8 black plywood. Okay. So that means it's 4 foot by 8 foot, which means I would have to get 2 pieces cut at 36 inches. So yeah, this one is $15. And again, it's fine because even if I get 2 cuts out of it, then I'll just double them up on my table. But I think that's the one I'm gonna rock with right there. I'm gonna get this utility plywood. That's all I need. So let me find somebody that can cut that for me. All right, y'all, so we got us a little cart. Let's go and push this in here, get our wood, and get it cut. So we have our top for our sewing table. Right your Home Depot. $15 for table. So y'all know I love a good sale, even at the Home Depot. So I wonder how long or how big this is. Oh no, that's not big enough. I was getting ready to get this 70% off. That was going to be my tabletop. But it's not big enough, so let's keep it pushing. It's 4x8. So here is the cutting station. Let's go find some help so we can get these 2 pieces cut and we can get them out of here. So the guy's here, y'all, to do cuts on the board. So now he's on the second cut. Now these 2 are lined up perfectly, and I'm going to stack them on my table. Perfect. I don't. It doesn't have the Alright, let me tell y'all how God be working, right? You know, I told y'all the other day, I was like, what's my purpose, Lord? Well, I just came out the Home Depot talking to a nice elderly, well, I don't say elderly, but a nice woman. And she just told me she got a whole sewing machine, thread, center, everything that I can have. Because I told her this was my cutting table board. See what I'm saying? See how it works? Baby, you just gotta stay faithful and stay true to yourself, and doors will open. These doors are opening right now for me just because I'm being consistent and I'm staying the course. So stay the course.